fender. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we continue with the Toyota Yaris Rally WRC, fantastic. Last time we were around here. Now we have a lot of work to do to finish the car, and I don't know how much time it will take. They say the more the time you play, the better you use your money. So I think that in this case I'm going to use my money very well. Bottles. These are bottles. I use this way to do the inner fenders. Once I used this size. Today I've decided for this size. It's very easy, the reason why. If you look inside, the inner fenders of your car are way more bigger than the wheel, because it has to go up and down, then you need space to work inside, and so I decided that this size could be nice to have better inner fenders. This is too little. And as I couldn't resist, I started the work and I made this. This is a prototype. I used this screw, then I have to cut near the body, I have to mount here somewhere, and this I will use to do this one. For the front, we will see. So, comment, like, subscribe, all these things, but now let me work. I'm very excited. I want to do this. Wheels. And also here we have a little upgrade. Painted rims, obviously, not a grid thing. And this, from this sponge I cut a piece and made the inner sponge. As I seen that mountain tires, here they are very hard, but here not, so the contact is not perfect. I hope with this to have a better contact. Costs nothing. Result top. And this is one mounted with 2 screws. Then with the fire I curved this to the front because I think it's nice. I have to finish, cut exactly near the body. It's not perfectly in the middle, you can see, but I think that once we have the body, could be nice. Here I will attach somehow, maybe like in the Lancia Delta with an iron system, the mudguard. I like very much mudguards. When the car goes, they flap, so fantastic. Okay, now the other by the other side. The two on the rear are almost done, except for minor adjustments, but they are done. Now the front. I want to pass through the body post, down, cut here, not too much, following the spaces I need, and so it will stay here and perhaps here or here. With a screw here, nothing, just a clip. And this is the first front one. Hold in place just from this clip and a little cut here in which I put the fender. Very easy, perfect, fantastic, light. Now I have to do the same on the other side. Perhaps a little bit better. There's a lot of empty space here inside, but it doesn't matter. This is not to keep the dirt out from the car. Yes, maybe something it makes, just to have the body not empty, a shell, but a real car. And also the second one is made. Okay, they are mounted. Now I need the body, cut the body, leave it transparent, place the body, finish all these cuts and position. The second one is way better than the first one. Inside you can see that we have less open spaces. The cut on the frame, this is bigger, this is too much cutted, this is short, and this is long. This is much more better. But anyhow, this is the first time. When you do a prototype, this is the result. The first one and the second one. And I like to leave it in this way and don't do this like this one. Because here there's a story. From the inside, it's perfect. Okay, now cut the body. And now cut the body. Make the hole for the body posts. But I don't want clips and body posts out. I would like to have the magnets. I'm waiting for the magnets. I've ordered on Amazon and it's taking a little while to arrive. No matter, I have some work to do. Then after that I finish, I may find the right position. These are very soft, they move, no problem for crashes. I love this so much. As I was saying, now we have to mount the body. But as I want to mount the body with magnets, I have to cut these body posts at the right height. Then I have to finish to trim these inner fenders. And it will be not so easy to find the right place without making holes, because the holes will be too big for the little screw to hold the magnet. There are some problems. So, you see, I can't do the hole to let the body go down. But first of all, I have to cut it. I do all, then I cut with the chisel, then making this has to pack open. Le voila! Has to be finished, but to do this is more than enough. Okay. This has to go here. Now I have to cut the body posts to let the body get down. And here we are. Maybe I have to do more minor adjustments, but it looks perfect. Fenders stays perfectly inside. This has to be okay. Now I have to adjust this high because I have this between the body and the body posts. So I have to enshort the body post of this measure, then screw, then pluck. Fantastic. And this is the last all the panels, masking panels that Tamiya supplies. Now I have to do my own masking, the tar for these two front lamps. My project is to put 2 LED, 2, 1 and 1, 6 good light. On the rear for these they don't have any bucket, so by now I mask this part. Then perhaps I will color with a clear, or I use the decal. I have to see. Then I have to build my own buckles and put 2 LEDs on the rear. So I have to do that. Then they ask to cover the whole body. Let me see. This is cutting. This is masking. Just already masked. Where is it? Ah, here. Because I have to do this black part. Not so difficult. I don't use all this tape. They are very clever, so they sell a lot of tape. I use tape just on the edge, on the border, then I cover with paper. Okay, let's do my other masking with this large masking tape. Well, I hope I masked it well. Here not and here not. I hope it's okay. Now I spray in black, then white, finger cross. Made black, unmasked. I made a terrible work with black. Look at here, what a mess. No matter, remember, because on this body you have so many stickers to apply that it's not important to have a perfect masking. That is almost impossible. White, then stickers. The body is painted white, black. Now I have to unmask, to unwrap the plastic. Then I have to apply all these stickers. It's a big work. This is a real big work. And then I want to show you how nice these are painted with Tamiya paint. I recommend you. Sometimes I use other spray, but Tamiya is the best one. It's fantastic. Stickers are a real big work. They are a lot, not easy to apply. Everything to be cutted, and at this point I have a lot more. This, and the thing is that you have to connect this one to this one to this one to this one, and not always the result is so nice, but okay. That's why I think that for today is enough. Next, finish with the stickers, body mount magnets. I like them very much. Lights, and the big work. I would like to have real interiors, near real interiors. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Bye bye.